Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the graphic settings within the Temple Run 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Temple Run 2 game on your device. And once you open it up, you will be taken into the main menu from which you can directly start enjoying your game. Now, if you wish to change the graphic settings for the game within your device, simply tap on the gear icon at the top left corner and you will now see the settings option. From here, you will be able to find the visual quality option, which is usually set to the third value. You can simply tap on the best option if you wish to increase the quality of visual settings. You will now be asked whether you would like to change your quality setting. Tap on the yes button and now this will change your graphic settings and put it to the highest quality. If you are facing any performance issue, then you can also use the low setting, which will keep the graphic effects into a minimum in order to provide you with a smooth gameplay experience. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the graphic settings within the Temple Run 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.